The last problem is natural disaster. In any country, in any in the world, anytime big disaster can be happened. Uh, Government help government want to help. Sometimes it is very time consuming. In earthquake, in tornado, in many kind of natural disaster. If we want to save our people, we have to follow a new idea. We can follow a new idea. This idea also formed by me. I call this theory religious remedy. In Islam, there is a uh, in Islam religion there is a uh, law to give people's money as zakat. Like you have 10 taka, you have to give 2 or 3 taka, a little amount as zakat for poor people to make balance the society. This is the rule of Islam. So what I have told, if you have to give $1,000 as zakat to follow your religious rule, when a disaster come, when an earthquake or big disaster come in front of you, don't wait for the right time to give the zakat. 10% of your zakat, 10% of your uh, you have to expend. For example, you have to give $1,000 as zakat for the poor people. So if you use 10% money in right time to save many people's life, it can be it can be more good work, and it can be more rewarding in eye of creator. I believe and I trust. And if we want to save whole nation in big disaster that a country or a government cannot uh, afford, or in unseen situation, uh, for a government it is very difficult to handle, what will you do then? So if everyone spread this idea, if everyone is conscious in Muslim country or in other country for religious gain, for uh, soul satisfaction, and to make God more satisfied, uh, we can give a little portion in right time together. Everyone together, if everyone together give a little support, I think uh, those people who are in great problem, in big disaster, they can survive by the right time help. Right time help is the main thing, or main theme of this idea. So to we have to develop the mentality of the peoples, and we have to give the information to the people's brain, and we have to prepare their mentality for the unseen disaster. And if everyone is feeling good and ready for that kind of disaster, uh, in this way, if everyone feeling good to help each other, I think the problem can be easy to handle. Eh, the main thing is the disaster, natural disaster, do not know a minister, do not know a parliament member, do not know a powerful man, do not know a billionaire. So we never know who can help us in time of disaster, in time of a critical moment. So we all have to be prepare ourselves, our mentality, the how we can help each other in time of crucial time, in critical time. Thank you very much to watching my all ideas. and listen my ideas, and all planning those peoples who are working to make the world more better for the people, for the humankind, and for peace of the people. I think this idea can be one time, if government implement, and if people understand and listen with attention, and it can brings good fruits for the people. Eh? I was working for 7 8 years for about these problems to solve in easy way. I was trying, and before some days I applied for Nobel Prize in category of peace and in category of economy for my ideas. I think this can, if government do not implement it, a recognition of good price can open their eyes. I do not need a big prize for myself. uh, I I want that if they research on my ideas, and if they recognize me, it and if policymakers I become open for this recognition, and if people think in a new way, and if people become more interested in these new ideas, it can make it can give peaceful, happy, easy life for the peoples, and make some pleasant moments. So I want to bring peace for the people of the world like you, and I want to work as a planet saver, as a part of planet savers, and that is my main vibe. I was working for immortality, and that is my main goal and main focus of my life. And I request you to pray for me, that I can innovate, I can generate more new surprising idea to solve uh, local and international problems